Next, I will show you how to do the fishbone stitch to make these larger leaves on the unicorn hoop. To do the fishbone stitch leaf, we're going to start at the tip of our leaf. So from the tip, you're going to go one stitch down on the center line. Pull that through and go to the tip of your leaf. Next, you will go slightly to the right and lower on that right edge of your leaf and bring your needle up. And then you're going to stitch below this stitch here on this middle line, just below that last stitch that you made. And then you will come in on the left of the line on your leaf and then bring your needle down below on that middle line below that last stitch that you made. So you keep coming in from the right to the center and then to the left to the center, all the while keeping going down this center line. So from the right down to the middle, and then the left down to the middle. And once that's done, you can go ahead and turn that over and secure it in the back by threading the needle through a couple of times. And that's how you make fishbone stitch leaves.